Today we're going to learn how to divide up a Boston fern. For this we'll need a good sharp knife. So we'll take the Boston fern, which is overgrown, and get it out of the pot to begin with. So we may have to actually cut the pot in order to get it out of there. So we take this and pull the pot from it and take the roots out of there. Discard the pot, of course. We will be getting some new pots for it. And we have a pretty large cluster of roots and rhizomes in here. So what we'll do is take a knife, and it may be a little, you may be a little afraid to do this if you haven't done this before, but it isn't going to be a real problem for the plant. Actually, you'll be doing it a favor by cutting it apart and putting it into another container, or into more than one container, so that it has more room to grow. And you'll end up getting a much healthier plant because of it, because new growth will develop from that. Now, as I pull this apart, you can see that we've already got two pieces from it, two large pieces. And I'll go ahead and cut it one more time, each one of those, into another piece. And then we will actually have four of our new starts for this fern. So we'll take that, and I will pull it apart. I will leave the foliage on there so that it will support the new growth, but you may want to remove some of the dead fronds and so forth from there. But these are all attached to underground rhizomes, and it has an established root system. So this could be potted individually into another container. And it'll probably take somewhere around 3 or 4 months before it starts looking like it's filled out and makes a good containerized specimen. Here's another one, of course, that we could use. And then this one we'll divide into 2 more. So we'll end up with 4, or maybe we could even do more than that. We might get 5 or 6 out of that big specimen, but we'll have several new ones to begin with. So that's Boston fern.